Hi. What's up? What's up? What's up? Hey, Vincent. Sean, thank you for the subscription. Is that what you call it on here? Dude, I don't even get those. Yeah, it is. I see it's right here. Subscriber. Yay! Thank you. Thank you. Is that really your username? Wow. Thanks, Sean. My burps are so awesome. Your username is showbelly or burp for gifts. That's hilarious. My shoe size is 11. I'm an 11. I was gonna say I don't have shoes to prove it, but I do have shoes to prove it. Check that out. W11. Boom, baby. It sucks being an 11. I shouldn't be bragging. I usually have to go find, like, I usually just don't go shoe shopping because I can just never find anything. Yes. I am good. How are you, Poopinator? My day's okay. Just chilling. You know, it's the new year. It's the new year. Happy New Year, everyone. I guess. My hands are pretty big. Pretty big. Oh my gosh, I have the C word. My hand's bigger than my face. Have you ever done that joke to somebody? If your hand's bigger than your face, that means... And then you just smack them when they hold their hand up to their face. It's the best joke ever. Oh, well, thanks, Christian. Yeah. Thank you for that gift. Thank you for the heart me. That's what everyone says, so fat. Thank you for the heart me. I'm like, boo. What's up, Road Warriors? Thank you. Yay, peppers. Thank you. Chilies, peppers. It says chili, but I'll call them peppers. Chili peppers. I know, it's just day one, you know. I don't know why she stopped. Probably because it's just a lot, you know. You know it, Jacob. Only big burps. Yay, a Roker's here with 5 roses. What are you doing, traffic man? He loves to report the traffic. it's so, it's a lot. It's a lot to do to make these videos. That's what I was trying to say. She doesn't want to do it anymore because you guys suck. How about that? That's why. That's why. She doesn't want to do it anymore because you guys suck. Yeah, it is sad. Oh my gosh, thank you for all of those roses. I didn't even... What's about to change? Why is it about to change? The traffic? Why is the traffic about to change? Just wondering. TK, thank you for all those roses. I really appreciate that. He's like, the traffic's about to change. Thank you. It's a gift train. Ew. Nah. Faux show. No, you did. You complimented them the other day. I remember. Thank you. Thank you so much, Christian, for all those gifts. A roker, what? That's crazy. So why is it about to change? I think one of your comments, like, must not have shown up. Did you get blocked? My friend, Katie. I know, she's such a good friend. Yeah, we were, like, crazy. Burp tag team in it, you know? It was fun. Those were fun days. I think we took those for granted. All of us collectively. That's what I think. Okay, Roker. Partying. Dude, well, last night at midnight, I fell asleep first of all. Okay, I was gonna say was, first of all, what was I talking about? Oh, last night. Dude, I've been sneezing all day. I've been sneezing all day since last night when I posted that sneeze video. Not joking, so hang around and I don't know, we'll see. Thank you, Constanza. Constanza? I can't even say that. Ugh. 110 decibels. Dude, that'd be so sick. Hey, fart smeller. Last night, I woke up to the sound of gunshots. And, that's Do You Want to Marry Me? DJ Magic Mike. Hi, Justin. I can't trigger a sneeze now. Thank you. I don't even know if I'm saying your name right. Constanza. And anyway, and I was like, what? I heard loud gunshots going off, and I was like, one of my neighbors must have been, like, just letting them fire off at midnight. But it scared the fuck out of me. It sounded like it was just, like, right in my backyard. I don't know. And it woke me up because I'm in the middle of the woods, so it just echoes, and it was so loud. It's like pretty long. You gotta download Netflix, dude. How do you not have Netflix? You have to know somebody with Netflix. Somebody in your family or friends circle has to have Netflix. Justin. Your name is one of the hardest to burp. Hey. I think wrestling is gonna like be crazy different on Netflix. They've already kind of hinted towards it, actually. Justin. Jacob. Happy New Year. What is my sneeze record? Are you the one that always asks me that? Somebody always asks me that question every time. Beer is lovely. I love beer. It's like 21 or 22 sneezes in a row. You just watched me on BGT. Road Warriors, and somebody else said, oh, Theo. Is that what we're doing? We're burping names tonight? No, I've never just sneezed once. I always sneeze 3 times. Boom, boom, boom. Theo. Someone just watched my BGT performance, so what did you think about it? No, I don't always feel it coming, but the monster ones, I feel coming, always. Yeah, dude, thanks. He thought it was epic, not gonna lie. The loudest burp I've measured with my decibel meter at home was 109.7, and it's on here somewhere. What is good to watch on Netflix? Because we have sneeze fans in here too. It's not all about the burps. Okay? Okay? My sister is good, thank you. Thank you for all the gifts. Watts. Joseph. I could do... Oh, the sneezes? Do I feel the sneezes coming? No. Sometimes there's like a little bit of a buildup. Usually it's kind of like right away. Stranger Things is dope. I've been watching Squid Games. Well, technically I already watched it, but I'm watching it again because I want to watch the 2nd season. I don't know anyone that sneezes like me, but I don't really pay attention to the way people sneeze, I guess. I don't know. Engineer. Like a burp Happy New Year. I should have done a video. Maybe I'll burp Happy New Year on a video on TikTok. I should have done that. I didn't do Merry Christmas either. I'm such a slacker. Sneezing is okay, but it's annoying for me because sometimes I feel like I can't catch my breath like before like the next like round of sneezes pop off. Like I don't know, it just, I guess catching my breath isn't the right word, but when you do it over and over and over again, it really feels like I'm being shooken up. Like it's crazy. I don't know. Oh yeah, me too, Road Warriors. Well, check it out. Road Warriors. Thanks, Ian, for all the gifts. I mean, like, I like sneezing because it, like, makes you feel better because your nose is like, oh my god, but the way I sneeze, the back to back to back, is crazy annoying. You forgot that quick. I didn't forget Road Warriors. I was just waiting for a monster. Burp really close to the camera. You're welcome, Len. Thank you again for the roses. Uh-oh. I think someone fell. I've been okay. Thanks for asking. Can I burp the alphabet right now? I don't know if I feel like burping the alphabet. Jesse. Hey, Alex. I didn't do shit for New Year's. The most embarrassing situation where I sneezed, just in high school, because I don't know, it's like people are looking at me like, what's wrong with you? And even my teachers are like, this is so disruptive. And then they like, do you need to leave the room to blow your nose? I've been asked that so many fucking times, and I'm just like, no, there's nothing there. It's just allergies. Like, they didn't clean the vents in these fucking schools or something. I don't know. That's the most embarrassing thing. Burp my full name? No thanks. I'd rather burp something else. Happy New Year, guys. Thank you all. Do I have pets? I have 2 pets. I have 2 dogs. I don't know why I said it like that. I have 2 pets. Like, who am I? Burp Happy New Year? Okay. Happy New Year! Yeah! That's funny. I have 2 Catahoula leopard dogs. If you don't know what they look like, you should Google them. They look pretty cool. This is how I burp on command. It's nothing special. So many other people are better at it than me, but and you can tell which ones are on command and which ones are natural. What are you saying, anime? You just broke a new record. You're the only one who captured my heart. That ain't even true. Farts. We love farts. We love farts. Peter. So many other people are not better than you. Like at the on command, or at the just in general, or natural. Well, maybe you have some allergy problems. Defo, natto, slotho. Can you change your username? Defo, natto, slotho. Yeah, I can do some closed mouth burps. Oh, unstable connection. Wait, so you just breathe in air? I guess. Isn't that what we all do? Do you want... Oh, never mind. It's different, dude. Only maybe not the only one, but you know how it made me feel. Like, okay, bro, anime's on one tonight. You know some females who can burp on command, but not as loud as you. I know some females, okay, who can burp on command, not as loud as you. I should make longer sneeze videos, but you get what you get. I don't know. Like, I can't make them longer. I don't know how to do that. If I just kept sneezing and sneezing and sneezing forever, that would be so uncomfortable. Can you do the same thing from the backside? I should do more closed mouth burps on TikTok. I am slacking on that. I'm so sorry. I will definitely consider that. 2025, we're just gonna do closed mouth burps because I always forget. That's a thing. I have sniffed pepper. It doesn't work for me, Mike. I have done that and it just like made my nose hurt. Like it didn't make me want to sneeze. What happened to Fizzy Izzy? Should I check on her, Jessie? Can you come to my country to show your skills? What is your country? Tickling your nose with a Q-tip? I've tried. The blast burps, the monster burps. We're gonna call them blast burps now. I can't even say that. Blast burps. Are there things that make you sneeze? Yeah, like everything outside makes me sneeze. Cats. Cats make me sneeze like crazy. The other day I went to a house and there was a cat living there. Within 30 minutes I was sneezing. Nonstop. The Netherlands, dude, I would love to go. I haven't, like, seen or heard from Fizzy in a while. Sorry, I don't really know. Maybe I'll text her and just check on her, though. Have you got the record for the loudest burp? I do have the record currently. Have you ever had an allergy test? I have had an allergy test before. Can you also burp loudly? Cool, yes. What soda makes you the most gassy? Probably Sprite. I don't know what you're talking about, Theo, but no, it did not hurt. I could probably burp 110 easily. I think I could even break the male record, 112. Are you aware of anyone who has tried to beat your record? I mean, like, other than, like, on TikTok or on social media with, like a small handheld decibel meter? No, I haven't. Or yes, I have, but, like, legit? No, I don't think so. You guys would probably know better than me. You could burp 120? Dude, that would be so badass if I could do that. If I could fart 109, dude, that'd be so funny. Oh. Dude, do you think there could be one day a record for loudest fart? Do you think I should be like, come on, Guinness, come on? Yeah, if you comment under one of my recent TikToks, then I can dedicate, and you have your reply by video on, or whatever it's called, then I can totally do it for you. I'll do a video. 120 would be insane. Yeah, I don't even think I could do that, but I could try. I love the Kimmy badge, Sean. It looks so cute. I can only dream of that, Lenny. Does Guinness have to alert you when someone else attempts to? I don't know. I've never experienced this before. So, yeah, I would like to... Okay, cool, Theo. I saw it pop up. I would like to try to figure that out. But, yeah, I mean... don't know. I don't know. All I know is that my face is in the freaking book. If you go buy the book today, go to the store, find the book, order it on Amazon, whatever you do. I did not meet the previous record holder. I wish that I maybe could one day. Haircut challenge. Just one chunk of your hair in live for all of us. Okay, let's do a vote for Dumber 07. Shoot, I forget how to do that. Oh, poll. Quick poll. Okay, ready, guys? Hit the smiley face if you want me to keep my long hair. Hit the frowny face if you want me to cut my hair. Jody Parks, that's her name. I know it starts with a J, but I can never remember. Oh, looks like everyone wants me to keep my hair, Dumber. I think you can get the fuck out of here now. You know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm saying? Okay, bye. What a dummy. Yeah, she held a record for a long time. It was like 14 years or something. So that's pretty cool. Actually, in the article or whatever, that's like one of the things that they mention in the Guinness article. They mention that it's been like 14 years since this record's been broken. And I barely broke it. Isn't that embarrassing? I barely broke it. Technically, she should still have it. Like, I just went with that burp because it was live on the radio. So it was like a little cherry on top for me. I could not use it, so. But if I go for it again, it's definitely not going to be 107. It's going to be like, yeah, 109, 110, something like that. I would also love to know the conditions of her record attempt. Was it outside? Was it in a closed area like me? I was just curious. Burp run. She was running and burping? That's funny. Do you do anything special for... No. I have to go. Maybe burp Theo. I'll make that video for you later. Thank you, iWatts, for the finger hearts. Who has the record for the male? His name is Neville Sharp. He's from Australia. He's really nice. And actually, he emailed the radio station wishing me good luck the morning of my record attempt. So it was like really nice and really sweet. I was like, sheesh. I wish we could meet. I wish Guinness would, like, you know, fly us in and we could make some content together. Just go to the bar and just like burp. Oh, that's cool. She's okay, cool. I'll do some closed mouth. Yeah, sure. I have one more drink to drink, so let me just finish this. Thank you for the roses. I got you on the burps. Closed mouth. Oh my god, anime. What the frick? Is he on one, bro? He is always on one. Your comments are so funny, dude. It's just funny to me. It makes me laugh. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah. I gotta do some closed mouth. Thank you for the rose, Wally. Wally. Let's see. I can set this up again. Nice. Hey, Josh, Happy New Year! Thank you! Dude, I already posted New Year's sneezes. Anime. Oh man, I don't do custom videos anymore. That was really fun though. If you guys want a video, you will have to pay $50 on Cameo. I hope you had a good New Year, Josh. We were just talking about that day at the studio. What anime? What, dog? You already did New Year's sneezes? Oh, well, technically it was last night, so I guess not. It was technically last night. Sorry.
Yo.
Can you just sneeze for us? I wish. I was thinking maybe the possibilities of a sneeze might happen. I've been sneezing all day, but not yet. Fake sneeze. Achoo! Achoo! That's what it sounds like seriously. Actually, not as high pitched, but you guys get it. Thank you again for all the gifts. I know, trying to cater to everyone is so crazy. Please, can we get sneezes? Please. I want some farts. I want some burps. I will. 2025, year of the closed mouth burps. Just kidding. I will make some more though, I promise. I will totally post some more of those. That's hilarious. I have Instagram. I think it should be linked, but I mean, it's the same name spelled the same. Kimycola everywhere on every thing. Okay, anime. What the shit? They'll just like take my burps and put them in ED pills to cure ED. Sure, anime. They'll just inject my gas. What? Let's get a real loud burp. Oh, really? It's lagging really bad? I don't know, guys. I can't help you there. Let's try to pause it real quick. That means we can't use this one on YouTube because I am not about to. Let's see if I can. Oh, okay, let's try this. Okay. I don't know if it's fixed now, but tell Elon Musk. that my Wi-Fi network needs an update. I don't know. If it's really that bad, then we're just gonna end it there and then make some TikToks. We could just do name game. Please do a fake sneeze. Achoo! Achoo, achoo! Maybe if I try to go live with somebody, it'll fix my lag. Let's see.
Obrigado pelo tempo.
Hi.
Tudo bom,
Am I
Pedro?
lagging? Am I lagging? Oh, you want to
Your
battle?
button? Your button?
Roberto?
Button?
What's your name?
I follow you to follow me, okay?
Oh, okay, yeah, I'll do it later.
I have agency. Do you button for me and agency TikTok?
I didn't. I can't. Oh, they're both lagging.
I can. I send you opportunity and my agency, okay, honey?
What information?
Agency official TikTok.
Okay.
Ok? Caralho, porra. Caralho, que gringa maluca.
Yeah, I might need to restart the live. I think so.
É educado, hein? Isabel. Caralho, nojenta pra caralho, cara. Garota estranha, velho. Tá ali aí pra nada.
I hope this is better now. I don't know what's going on. Excuse me. That always happens to me. Do you think if I post the laggy footage that people are still gonna watch it? I mean, I could try to line it up, I guess, but it freaking takes. Sometimes it's just so bad that I can't fix it without, like, some real software. I'm too lazy for that. I mean, you watch it anyway? Okay. I mean, I try. What should I do more on YouTube that's like free and there forever to get more people to watch? I don't know. Thanks, Nick. Thanks for calling me a star. Happy New Year. Yeah, my sister is so good with the burps. What muscles do I need to learn? You mean build? We all have the same muscles, right? Like, unless, like, something crazy happened to you. I don't know, dude. I've just been doing it for so long. I don't even think about it anymore. That's kind of the situation I've always told everybody. I've just been doing it for so long. I can't even, like, begin to try to break it down. Okay, calm down, buddy. I think I find it funny. So I've been doing it for a very long time when I was a little girl, and I just thought it was funny. Just like farting. Farting's like really funny. To me, anyway. I don't know. Guess I just love like potty humor or like dirty. I have a dirty sense of humor, and I just think burps are funny. They sound funny, and it's like a funny thing that like your body does. I don't know. So I guess that's why I like to do it. But also the other reason I like to do it so much is because I'm really good at it. That's just like the bottom line. I think if you're really good at something, that maybe you would like doing it too. I don't know though. How did you discover that you had a talent in burping? I just kind of, okay, good. I'm glad the lag stopped. Sorry about that. I'll combine the two videos together. I love Juliana. She's my main girl. Mary Rose. Shout out to the main queen, Mary Rose. I don't know. I keep getting unstable connection, so if it happens again, I'm sorry. But if you guys want to watch these later, I post them on YouTube. So YouTube channel is connected to my profile on here, or you can just look up Kimycola and it's right there. Oh yeah, more closed mouth. Okay. When this is gone though, we're going to eat dinner. We might come back after dinner. It's because I'm I'm a really good natural burper. I actually got a hold of this year's Guinness World Record book and found me in there. Did you see me? Did you see my face? I'm on 2 pages. Luciano. Juliana is Brazilian, I believe. Drewski, I haven't seen you in so long either. Oh, hey, Dumber's back, guys. The one that wants me to cut my hair. We all voted no. We all voted that we wanted to keep the hair. So, hell no. If you give me a gift first, then I'll think about it. And it ain't gonna be no fucking Rose 25 badge. Yeah, I'm a 35. You're not gonna fucking fool me, bro. On page 1. Oh, on 1 page. Oh, I was like, page 1. No, I'm on 2 pages. My face is on 1 page. So if you go to the back of the book and look up loudest burp, 2 pages. That's where you can find it. Thanks, I know, this silly goose is trying to get me to cut it off. What, for a galaxy? I don't fucking think so. Better send me a universe or get out of here, bro. I will burp Luciano and closed mouth. I keep forgetting. Dumber came in here and totally threw me off. I bet he's not even following me and he's asking me to cut my hair. He is following me. Okay. Is this what you do? You go around people's lives and asking to cut everyone to cut their hair? Is that what you do? Just saw the words, not the photo. My photo is on a different page. It's on the other page. There's like a little quiz in the back. I'm on that page. That was really bad. I'm 35. Dude, I ain't cutting shit. Get out of here, bro. Go ask some other silly girl. That's crazy. Yeah, I know. Everyone says that. What's up, Father Chaos? Howdy. Happy New Year. Thanks for coming. Thanks for joining. Crazy, bro. Those are so much fun. A universe and I'll shave my head bald. Just kidding. I'm not doing that. Get out of here, dude. Thank you, Luciano. Kimycola gives a loud burp. You're biased towards the closed mouth ones? Thank you, Father Chaos. Yes! What's your reaction you get whenever you burp out in public? Oh my gosh, like, people actually don't really care out here. They usually just keep it quiet. And then sometimes I get, like, you know, I don't know. A lot of people out here just don't say anything at all. I don't know. Just saying. Thank you again. I appreciate you. I do fart sometimes, but I don't feel like it's as loud now. I don't know how I could be loud coming out of both ends. That would be super talented. Filling up my chat, bro, and I'm actually here on, like, real fan-based business. Like, jeez. If she farts and burps, that's the girl you want to date, fellas. If I fart and burp at the same time, I will implode. I've said that so many times, but it's true. Yeah, I can do, like, rapid fire. Everyone loves my rapid fire burps. Hold on. Okay, let's try it. I haven't done it since, I don't know, it's been about a week or so. Maybe 2 weeks. That sounds like it shouldn't be a thing. That sounds like I should not be able to do that. Jesus loves you too. That was fun though. Thanks, guys. I'm not here to fart. I love that meme. Came here to fart. Make a last long one. I do have to go soon. Could I even do it closed mouth? I don't even think I could. Okay, I am done. You got me fucked up right now. We just unlocked something new. Yeah. Can you burp my name Nashe or Nashi? No, it doesn't. It does not burn coming out of my nose. The air coming out of my nose doesn't make my nose burn. Nothing. Nashe. Crazy stuff's happening. The new slogan, Kimycola, the world's greatest ED cure. What's your name, Peter? Is your name Peter? Because, I don't know. Hooray for unlocking new stuff. New achievement unlocked. Yes, I totally was on Britain's Got Talent. Did you like it or did you hate it? Just tell me honestly. Thank you, Divano. I love doing it. Invite some other girls to this live. Yeah, I know. Did you get to meet the judges? I mean, like, I got to meet them from, like, a distance, you know? I'm sure they didn't want to meet my dirty ass. Rich. I achieved a little something today just by coming here. But it was a mix of, I thought it was funny, but I also felt a bit sick. But at least you got through. I didn't get through, though. I mean, I got through on camera, but actually going back to London and doing it again, I did not get to do that. They decided not to invite me back for the live shows. I also got 54 Ofcom complaints, so I don't know if that had anything to do with it, but they also just said that they gave too many golden buzzers that season and they didn't want me back. I love sneezing too. It feels so good. Thank you for the roses. I definitely burped Peter. And then I have to go. But I can come back. We can prank some people later. Can you burp this? Can you burp that? Can you burp here? Can you burp there? Peter. The complaints were for me burping on television. Yeah, that's how you know you made it, though. Did you meet, I think he was on your week, Bobby Goldfin? Dude, I can't remember if Bobby Goldfin was there the same day or not. Here's the thing. When you film that show, you're in costume all day long. And there was a lot of people in that room. A lot of them that didn't make it on television, and I felt awful. Like, I just... But I didn't choose the final cuts, so... Well, I knew I wasn't gonna win. Are you a girl or a boy? I was about to say girl, but Leston seems like a boy's name. I knew I wasn't gonna win. All I wanted to do was make people laugh. There's no way I would win, right? So that's all I wanted to do was have fun, make people laugh. And I feel like I did that, but at the same time, you either laugh or you get grossed out. There's no... You know what I'm saying? But when I went to Spain, I was on Spain's Got Talent after Britain's Got Talent, and they gave me a golden buzzer. So, I don't know. These shows are crazy. They're fun to be a part of. I didn't personally meet Bobby Goldfin. I met a bunch of other people, and I met a bunch of other people along the way. Of course I didn't win Spain, dude. Oh my gosh. Spain is... I don't want to talk about Spain. Unfortunately, I did not win, and I wasn't invited back to be on that show either, even though I got the golden buzzer, so. Okay, anime. Did you meet Sydney Christmas? No, I did not meet Sydney Christmas, but I talked to her on Instagram. She's very nice, and we were both very hated on that season. She was hated for winning because she was already kind of popular, and I was hated because I was gross. So we kind of related in that way a little bit, and she's very sweet. I talked to her on Instagram. She's very sweet. I accidentally called her. I accidentally video called her on Instagram, and she almost answered, but I freaking hung up. I was like, oh my god. I'm so sorry. I didn't mean to do that. Thanks, anime. You'll always be a golden buzzer to me. Hee hee. She has room to do Eurovision. What's San Marino? What's that? I'm from Brazil, and I don't understand much of what you say, but I love your burps. Thank you! That's all that matters. Burp is an international language that we all speak, you know? Okay, anime, Jesus fuck. So, San Marino is a micro country by Italy, but anyone can apply due to low population. Apply for what? So what kind of show do they put on every year that you would apply to? Is it a Got Talent show, or is it like its own thing? I don't know. We'll see what 2025 has in store. So they have submissions from US, Italy. I almost said Italia. I can't even like comprehend that. US, Italy, Africa, Canada, Europe apply to compete. It's a national selection. That sounds like fun, and I would totally love to do that. The problem is, believe it or not, I'm not well known in America yet. And like I broke a world record, but I haven't been on a TV show in America, so I'm not like America famous yet. I'm just like famous, like, I don't know, on this radio station. And I wouldn't even say like famous. I'm just like part of the fam. I'm not like as famous as, but maybe I'm just like waiting, you know, maybe one day it'll happen. I don't know. You'll have to do those closed mouth ones again. Oh, such for sure, Road Warriors. I'm gonna make a video of that because it's so funny. I'm gonna shout you out and tag you and everything. I'm just kidding. I won't do that. Maybe 2026 they close the application for 2025. Well, they are very like, you know, ahead of their game. Then a lot of these shows are like slacking on the, like, they hit you up so last minute. I don't know. Your agent got to book you on some sitcoms. That sounds like fun, anime. You're very humble. Thank you. It's for emerging artists too, so it's for everyone. Blue dabba dee dabba die. Eiffel 65. I used to know every song on the album. It was my favorite growing up, and now it's everywhere. Burp my name, please. You could have been in the famous artist section who got straight to the final, but they ended that. That's okay. I'm actually not that famous. I'm really not. I'm throwing a hot dog down the hallway. All right. Okay, guys. I'm out of here. I'll be back later.